What's up, guys? Today we are here to do conversation, and our topic is. What's up, guys? This is Riyaras, and today we are here for doing conversation.
And our topic is we are planning for New Year.
Hi, Rasmi.
Hello, Riyadi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm pretty well. What is going on nowadays?
Nothing special. Same old routine.
Okay.
Are you going anywhere?
No, I'm coming from my college.
Oh,
So, I want to talk to you something.
yes.
New Year is around the corner.
Yes, I know.
So, what do you think about that? Do you have any plan?
Don't have any plan right now. And do you have any plan?
I also don't have any plan, but I will plan something. Do you have some ideas for that day?
Yes, I think I'll invite you and our friends Anuradha, Shulvi, Richa, Pammi, Afrin, Sinki also.
Okay, our gang, you mean? Okay. What will we do there?
We will celebrate 31st of December at night. We will enjoy party.
Okay. And we will explore crackers also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then after we will go on 1st of January somewhere. Know any places for picnic?
Yes, I know. We should go to Vrindaha waterfall.
Yes,
DDC.
yes. Vrinda waterfall is good for picnic. I went once there.
Okay, we will go there.
So done. Brinda waterfall is good for picnic.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Rasmi.
Bye, dear.
Please like, share, and subscribe